So we're going to start here inside of Canva, and I'm going to click on Create. And for the website page that we're going to do, we're not actually going to use a website design. We're just going to use a presentation because we just want one little snippet that we're going to put up there. So I'm going to click on that, and this has my blank canvas. So I can now go in and build anything that I want on the page. So I might want to start with the background and bring in whatever colors I want to do for that. You know, maybe it's a gradient or something to that effect that I can start with, and then I can build my design around this. So I'm going to keep on building my design, and we'll come back and show you how we can actually get that onto your agent site. Okay, so I have my finished design, and now we need to go and get this ready to put it onto our agent site. So I'm going to come up here to Share. And instead of downloading it or presenting and some of the other functions that you might be familiar with, we're actually going to click on this See All button here on the bottom. And the one we want here is Embed. Don't get confused with websites or public view links or anything like that. We want the Embed option. So I'm going to click on Embed, and then it's going to ask if I want to do that. I'm going to click on Embed again. And now I have the option to copy this HTML code. And this is what we need in order to put it onto our agent site. So I'm going to click on Copy, and now I'm going to go into Command. So here in Command, I'm down here in the Websites applet, and I'm going to click on Manage Website, and I'm going to go right into Expert mode. So now that we are here inside of Expert mode, I'm going to first create a module. So I'm going to come up here to the plus button, and I'm going to come down here to HTML Embedded Module. Select that. I'm going to give it a name. So we're going to keep it with the theme here, Ice Cream Social. And then I'm going to paste in what I copied from Canva. So I'm pasting in this HTML embedded code. Okay, so I'm going to paste that in. And then we will get a preview. There we go. So now I have this. It's ready to insert. I'm going to click on Publish. And now I can add this to a custom page. So I'm going to select Custom Page here off the Quick Start menu. I'm going to give it a title. We'll just keep with Ice Cream Social. There we go. And I'm going to come down here. Now you can see it says it here for the page heading. I don't want the page heading here, so I'm going to take that out by selecting under Page Header, the pull-down menu, and select None. And that'll take that out of there for me. And then all I want to do is add in the module that I just created. So we're going to come down all the way to additional modules, and we're going to select HTML embed, and then we'll be able to pick it from the menu. So I'm going to open that up, click on Ice Cream Social, and that will pop it in. All right, so now I have this as a page on my agent site. So I'm going to click Publish, and it is now available. Now I'm not going to add this to my menu because I'm going to use this kind of as a standalone page that I can send out. So if I click on the page that I just created for the Ice Cream Social, and then I click on URLs, it's going to show me what the URL will be. All right, so it's my agent site / Ice Cream Social. Right. So if I copy that and I go to a new page, if I just went in and just hit paste, it's just going to give me that first part. Okay, but what I need to do is I need to bring up my agent site, and then at the end, I can put that on there and then click enter, and that'll show me the live version of that. Okay, so this is how you can create a page inside of your agent site using Canva. What's really cool about this is now we can go in and we can make edits in Canva, and they update in real time here on your agent site. So once you have it on there, you can move things around in Canva and it'll show up automatically on your site. Let me give you an example of that. So I'm going to show you my Giving Back page that I have here for Operation American Soldier. And I've already created this page similarly to how I just did the Ice Cream Social, but I want to change it a little bit because it's a little squished. I don't want people to have to come in here and scroll any bit. I want them to see everything all at once. So what I can do is I can go into Canva and then make my edits, and we'll pull those up side by side. Okay, so I have my design in Canva here on the right, and then I have my agent site with the page that I've put in here. So what I can do now is I can, here in Canva, I just want to move some things around a little bit. So I'm just going to bring the logo up here so it's more in line with that. We're going to shrink it down just a little bit. Bring my support piece back over. Kind of keep that in line. Maybe bring it down a little bit. I'm going to bring my text up. And bring my photo up. Okay, and then maybe I want to take this little background, little element. I can move these around a little bit. So now I've changed them here inside of Canva. I'm just going to save my changes. And then if I go over here to my agent site, I'm just going to hit refresh. Now you can see it's instantly updated my page, and I've done this all inside of Canva. I don't even need to touch the website editor inside of Command to do that, and it makes it real easy to edit my pages moving forward. So I hope you found this useful. Definitely give me a thumbs up on the YouTube page. Subscribe if you want to see more videos, and we'll see you out there. Have fun.